we've played with the basic pen tool. We have learned how to make a basic pathway with the crown. Now we're going to actually do something that we're going to get graded on. And I'm going to take the stop sign graphic from off the website, drag it and drop it over into Photoshop so that I have it to work with. And if I look through and I read, I'm going to copy it over. I'm going to draw my pathways all the way around till I get to the end. I'm going to see, I have my pathways, click here. I'm going to change it to stop sign. I'm going to click on the load path icon at the bottom, control enter, or you can click on the little button, depends just how you work. See, then it'll select the option, then you come here and you go back over and do control J. This will make this takes that stop sign and copies it and pulls it into a brand new layer for you, and then you'll have it completed. You'll have done that first part of that lesson. So here we go. We're going to start off. We're going to start off by I'm going to zoom in a little bit. I'm a little blind. The older I get, the less I can see well. I go to my pen tool, make sure everything is set just like I did when I was practicing the crown. Pick a starting point. Doesn't really matter which one you pick, because it's going to go all the way around the object. If you mess up, control Z and just draw it again. And normally I would actually take a little more time when I was drawing, but I am trying to get through this within the time allotted by the software to make this video. Okay, go to paths. See, I have my work path. I'm going to rename it stop sign. Okay. You can do Control G or you can click there. I'm going to go back to layers and a simple Control and the letter J on your keyboard, and you essentially made a copy of it. Now, why is this important? Well, if I've selected that, remember when I did the apple? And instead of copy and pasting and doing all that different stuff, if I want to put a whole bunch of them there, I could Control J because I've made that pathway that same thing, and I can move them around to all kinds of different places. See? Now, and I can keep Control J-ing, adding them and resizing and moving around like if I wanted to. I'm making a bunch of leaves, I'm making a bunch of flowers, a bunch of smiley faces. I want them to be all exactly the exact same shape. Maybe I want to change the size. Well, that's where your pathways come in, and that's why it's important to know. Alright, I'm going to save this. My computer, U drive, TS, lesson 7, stop sign, and then you turn in for grading. And in Miss Baxter's class, that means you upload it to Moodle. Alright, next we're going to go into the next part